In this video, we are going to solve these two problems. Question number one is find the area of the unshaded region in this figure, given that area of the triangle PCF is 21 square centimeters. So here you can see we are given a rectangle whose area is 21 times 14. One side of the rectangle is 21 centimeters and the other side is 14 centimeters. So firstly, we will compute the area of the shaded region. Now let's see what is the shaded region here. Shaded region comprises of three triangles. First triangle is triangle BCF, whose area is given. And the second area is triangle AGF. So we will add the area of the triangle AGF plus, and the third triangle is triangle EF. And what we call this point, this is unknown to us. Let's call it P. I will denote it with P. Alright, so the third triangle is triangle, let me call it PEF. Alright, so we will try to compute these three areas and add them. PCF area is given, which is equal to 21 square centimeters. So this is 21 square centimeters. How much is the triangle area of the triangle AGF? Let's look at here. If we take this side is the base of this triangle, so height will be 14 centimeters. So by this formula of area of a triangle, 1 upon 2 base times height, we can write it as 1 over 2 times the base, which is we have taken FG as the base, times the height, which is 14 centimeters, plus we will add the area of the triangle PEF. Now the base of PEF we are taking equal to EF. So area will be 1 over 2 base is EF and the height is again same 14 centimeters. We'll compute this 21 centimeter square centimeters plus 1 over 2. Now in these last two terms, 1 over 2 is common and 14 is also common. So we are left with FG plus EF. Now we will see in this figure what is FG plus EF. If we add these two distances, we are getting the length of the opposite side, which is 21. Because it is a rectangle, so length of the opposite sides are equal. So the sum of FG and EF is going to be equal to 21. 21 plus 1 over 14 is 7. So we get 7 times 21. So overall it is 8 times 21. And 8 times 21 is 168. So this we have got the area of the shaded region. Now if you need the area of the unshaded region, you have to calculate the area of total area of the rectangle and subtract 168 from that area to get the area of the unshaded region. So we say, okay, unshaded region area will be equal to the total area of the rectangle, which will be length into height, 21 times 14, and subtracted 168 from that. And if we calculate this, we are going to get 126. And because this is the area, the unit will be square centimeters. So the answer of this question, the area of the unshaded region is 126 square centimeters. Now let's have a look at the second question. We are given a triangle and we are given that OQ and OR where are the angle bisectors of angle Q and R respectively. Find the measure of angle O here. Here we will suppose that measure of angle Q is X, say, and measure of angle R is, say, it is Y. And therefore, from the triangle PQR, we get that sum of the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So this we have got, say this is equation 1. Now we have another triangle which is smaller triangle. From that triangle, which is triangle OQR, from this triangle, we get that x upon 2 plus y upon 2. Because here the angle Q in this triangle OQR, angles are bisected by OQ and OR. So angles will be half, x upon 2 and y upon 2. And some of the angles, and the third angle is angle Q, angle O, which we have to find. Again, the sum is 180. This is the second equation, which is obtained from the smaller triangle. Now we will try to eliminate x and y from equations 1 and 2. Let's multiply equation 2 with 2. Multiply 2 with equation number 2. Let's see what happens. We get x plus y plus 2 times angle O equals to 360. So this is equation 3. Now subtract 1 and 3. So that subtract 1 and 3. So that we cancel x and y and we get the value of measure of angle O. So if you subtract 3 from equation 1 or 1 from equation 3, say you are subtracting 1 from equation 3, what will happen? X and y both will be cancelled and you get 2 times measure of angle O minus 60 equals to 360 minus 180, you get 180. Ultimately, if 60 is taken to the right hand side, 180 plus 60, you are getting 240. Therefore, measure of angle O will be equal to 240. Divide this 2 to the right hand side, so you are getting the answer equal to 120.